Hello, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. I'm Nancy and I am so excited about today. I am doing a full day of glowing up after holidays, January resolutions, goals, setting intentions, and all of these things. I haven't really been able to take care of myself the way I want to. I want to do things that are meaningful, things that I may not necessarily love to do, but I know that I need to do. I created this box full of hair products to take care of my hair. I got it at a discount store and I just put all the hair products I had. Cold water hydrotherapy is my favorite thing, even though it's not something that you're so excited to do because it feels really cold, right? But the benefits are just so many. One, just going to boost my immunity, glow my skin, so I'm excited to do things like that for me. Not necessarily things that I'm jumping up and down excited to do, but I know that I really need to do. So time to get in the jacuzzi. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing even though it hurts. I highly recommend hydrotherapy. Now it's time to get some hair, face mask, and a full body scrub in the sauna room. So I'm gonna sweat all the dead cells out of my body, get them all out to get the full glow up from my head to my toes. I want to love on people, I want to love on everybody, and I have to start with myself. And doing things like that reminds me of how valuable I am. I'm not my business. I'm not what I do. This is what I am. This is my temple and I gotta take care of it. I always feel like I have to be giving, I have to be serving, I have to be producing, and it's not always like that. There's moments when I can just take time to do things that I love. Like this is very special for me, doing things like I really wanted to do challenging things like jumping in cold water to hot water. You don't have to touch it too much, just roll it and you have your mask. Time to get some going up from the inside out. I wish I can be here all day. I gotta go get my lips done, hopefully nails, get some food.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
You don't feel like you're capable of fulfilling. So the enemy, because he knows that if he can fill your head with negativity, he can keep your feet from positivity, keep your hands from productivity. Second tool the enemy uses to fight against your purpose is your own ignorance. And he keeps you ignorant of your potential and your power by keeping you ignorant of God's power. Are you here? And what you do is you live your life ignorant of the power of God. So consequently, you're easily controlled and manipulated and dominated by the hand of the enemy. But that what you don't know can kill you. We say it a million times. Take some medicine and you don't know what it's for. And next week we'll be having your funeral. It says, my people are destroyed for the lack of knowledge.
I feel so good. I feel so good.
After a good nutritious meal, I like to take some time to get some spiritual food. I like to read scriptures and play my drums. I love to sing, vocalize, write new songs, sing new songs. All those things make me get into my creative zone. Dream board is set up for the new year and beyond, and now it's time to get a good workout in. And I like to set up my space, the lighting, make sure that I have my equipment ready. I'm gonna work on my glutes I'll be linking a video, complete video for you glutes if you want to get that in. I invest a lot of time in learning, in my business, being a mom, paying bills. I deserve doing little things in there that make me feel more feminine, that get me into my feminine, self-gentle, kind, loving, super sweet energy, the feminine energy. I love it. And that's why I'm doing it. And I really enjoy it. I love the way they look. The pain, not really, but it's worth it. This is numbing my lips. Feels so weird. You okay? The lips are done. Now it's time to go get some supplements. I'm running out of some, and this is another way for me to take care of myself and glow from the inside out. That's my hope for all of us, that we continue growing and learning and becoming the people that we really want to be, for our own sake and for the people that we love the most. And thus my message is to learn how to love ourselves, real love, agape love for our own self. And then from that position of true love, we can really love others the way they need to be loved. Time to continue this glow up with a rejuvenating beauty sleep. I'm so tired, but I did everything that I really wanted to do today. It was a fantastic day. Remember to get your guides and to share the love and spread kindness, goodness, and this video. Stay healthy and stay fit, stay loved. Take care. Bye.